Board Hobby, we are cracking 2022 Gold Rush Baseball Vault 1-box eBay break. October 8th, 2022. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We've got STMI3166-FUZLKXMN with the Mets, Orioles, and Reds. Joey JAX806 with the Cubs, Rockies, Athletics, Diamondbacks, White Sox, Indians, and Cardinals. One rookie, one with the Nationals. Cardsbone 101 with the Blue Jays. Pit P Red with the Rangers. TIMON MD with the Rays. Vanilla Moose 2012 with the Giants and Brewers. Steel City 512 with the Mariners. Ed Carts 5 with the Padres. Slow Hand 3611 with the Pirates. Santa Eagles with the Phillies. NIP ICA-12 with the Yankees. 573 Dick with the Twins. Kid Caddy with the Royals, Dodgers, Tigers, and Angels. Sofrito the Shopper with the Marlins. DY Barrow _0 with the Astros. JTE 663 Red Sox and the Braves. All right, that is your full lineup. Okay, we've got our box right here. 2022 Baseball Vault, Gold Rush Baseball Vault. 3 cards per box, guys. This will be a fun break. Let's get our plastic off of the box first. Come on. There we go. All right, we got 1, 2, and 3. Empty box. All right, guys, here we go. Pack number 1, card number 1. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And on the board first, we've got a 2021 Bowman Next Baseball America's Top 100 Prospects. JJ Bleday 95 Gem Mint Marlins. Striking first, JJ Bleday. Beautiful hit for the Marlins. 95 Gem Mint there too. 2021 Bowman Next Baseball America's Top 100 Prospects. Marlins. Strike first. Your Marlins owned by Sofrito the Shopper. Congrats. Very nice. Bleday 95 Gem Mint for the Marlins. Okay. Here we go. Pack number 2. Ooh, wow. That is a beautiful card. How about a Jordan Alvarez Cornerstones auto with the quad relic, 19 out of 25. That is beautiful. Astros, wow. 19 out of 25 there too. Quad relic auto. That is absolutely gorgeous. That's out of Panini 2019. Panini Cornerstones Baseball. That is a beautiful card there. Astros, Jordan Alvarez, quad relic auto. Astros owned by DY Barrow _0. Congrats. That is gorgeous. Wow. Beautiful Jordan Alvarez there. That is a beautiful card. Congratulations to the Astros. Beautiful Jordan Alvarez. All right. Pack number 3. Hit number 3. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Ooh, another auto. Oh, Roger Clemens. Wow. Roger Clemens. Look at them patches, too. 9 out of 10. Holy cow, that is beautiful. Houston again, Astros. Wow. Got a 3-color patch up here in the top left. Another looks like 3-color there on the top right. 2-color on the bottom right. My, oh my, what a beautiful card. And that is also 9 out of 10. Get the camera to, here we go. 9 out of 10 as well. And that is so beautiful. 2020 Flawless Baseball, Roger Clemens, the Astros. My, oh my. Wow. DY Barrow _0. Congrats. That is so beautiful. My, oh my. Holy cow. All right, let's run back through the hits here. How about this? Roger Clemens, 9 out of 10. Quad patch auto. Had a flawless. 2020 Flawless Astros. 3-color patch. 2 3-color patches. A 2-color patch. That is, wow, so beautiful. Astros. And we also have the Jordan Alvarez for the Astros out of Cornerstones. 19 out of 25 quad relic auto as well. 2019 Panini Cornerstones. Another beautiful hit. And we started out with your 2021 Bowman Next Baseball, America's Top 100 Prospects, J.J. Bleday, 9.5 gem mint for the Marlins. Beautiful hit there as well for the Marlins. 3 beautiful hits. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. I'll be sticking around. We still have another break coming up at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's your 2022 Gold Rush autograph jersey baseball series 3 3-box. Have a case eBay break. We've also got a beautiful lineup scheduled tomorrow night and all week long coming up, guys. So please don't miss out on those. Thank you so much for your support. Really, really do appreciate it. Please be smart, be safe out there.